Hello, back with part 2, episode 2 maybe.
So we are now going to find an LA village, I think.
Yeah, we can do that too. Wait, first of all, I
First we have
need
to find this horse.
wait. Horsey. I heard a horse right here somewhere.
That's a sheep. That's a
Grabby should be.
That's a
Wait,
white sheep.
I saw something move outside there. Get smack. I
You
smacked
forgot to
something.
keep it normal.
Oh yeah, I'll keep it right now. Hello, Caddy Cornish. Pop. Oh, that was 2 hit KO. Now going past, going settings. Turn it to easy.
No, keep it in normal.
No,
We
I'm
have
gonna die.
no.
Wait, I need to wait until it's. Wait, I had.
No. You have to go to. You have to travel. It's a. You don't know how.
Wait. Let me find a horse really quick.
I think you have to go in
Smack.
this. Go there. No, never go there. Never go there. Please don't go.
That's a sheep. Not just sheep, that's a cow.
If you go into those tall trees,
What
at the end we may
Wait, I saw a
you
dog.
have dropped the bones at the dungeon.
Wait, what? Yeah, I took them, right?
It's overnight. Take a bed. Take the bed. Take bed.
No, we are gonna fight. Wait, maybe I'll fight this doggy.
No.
Where's this doggy? Oh, it's trapped. Fight doggy. Wait, I'll go.
If you are a boy, bring it out and fight. Oh my God, it's one hit KO.
That
Now
was so weak.
I got in top of the house. Go to the top of
What
house.
happened? Nope, not today.
Go to the top of house. Top
Which
of
top?
any house. Any house.
Okay.
That house so easy to go. Otherwise, water zombies will come.
Wait, I forgot. They have tridents in their hands.
Yeah, please go on there. Please go on the. Hey, go on the roof,
Let
man.
me see first of all any water
Arey,
zombies.
they're spawning.
No problem, I said we can fight. Only 2 hit KO.
And they are spawning in 10, 9, 8.
They already spawned it.
Hey, you're hungry. Hunger bar.
Wait, I forgot. No, nothing happens. There's a Spider-Man. Hello, Spider-Man. You want to die today?
The skelly boy.
Get sniped.
Skelly skull boy.
I am not going for that skelly boy.
Hey, no, go. He may
Ow,
drop a
he
bow or
sniped
he may drop a bow or arrows.
Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? Ah!
He's dead. Kill zombie kill.
Insta KO.
Now, how I said go on a roof.
Wait, let me eat. Oh, I am already full.
Hey, roof. Hey, go on the roof, man.
Oh my god, there's a bunch.
There are so many zombies, so that's why I'm saying
Let
to
me
go.
sleep. Let me sleep.
No, they
no,
will come inside the house. Go to the roof.
Get smacked away. God.
Yep.
They
Oh
are
my
gonna
God!
die.
I hear the boss. Oh shit! They come.
Get smack.
My God!
Get smacked.
Oh my
Ouch.
God! Die!
Smack.
Yahoo! Dead by daylight.
Oh, there is more. Let me just. Oh,
They will
hello,
die on their
Skelly
own.
Bully. Hello, Skelly Bully. You want to fight me today?
But creepers.
Oh. Wait,
Arey,
there are no creepers.
they dropped arrows. The skill dropped. Oh, bone and arrows.
Bones too. Wait, I want a dog.
You killed the dog.
Yeah.
Hey, be careful, creepers. Or witch. I have sawn witch in one house. The cow farm. On the cow farm I have sawn. Your hunger bar.
Okay, no problem. There's only one. Jump!
Yeah.
Whoa, what is that? Get smack. Bye-bye, cat. Bye-bye, cow. Rest in peace, cow. I murdered it. I just murdered it and I'm saying rest in peace.
But then this.
Look, it's Smoker. Nothing. Wait, what? Really? It's full.
I think you have to drop the rotten flesh. It's rotten like a rotten.
Wait. I'll not drop it. So hard and mobile. So I'll just go and find the chest.
This is your tab, no?
Yes.
Then why saying a mobile, huh?
No problem.
Hey, you have opened this chest. You have to open another chest.
No problem. Oh,
I
so
said
many
no.
potatoes.
Potatoes.
No potatoes.
Hey, potatoes will give only half.
So I am
Hey,
not
no wood,
taking-
no wood. Don't. Oh, this is wooden slab. Good.
Hey.
No potatoes. No potatoes. No potatoes. No dead alien.
Wait. I put 3 in there.
3 for a bow now. Hey, make a bow. Make a bow. Make a bow. You have 2 arrows.
Wait,
two
I
arrows.
forgot. Did I? Oh, it's in my inventory. Let's just go in and do a mo.
Oh my god. You can
Wait,
do
I need
something, huh?
stickies. Oh, there it is. I will kill anyone if comes. Wait, can I try to shoot that?
No.
Cubby.
Your arrows. Your arrows. Your arrows. No. Please.
I missed. Not that try.
This is the
Don't
last
move.
arrow.
That is not the last arrow. I
This
have
is the
plenty more.
Yeah. Eat your bread, man. You'll die like an idiot.
I shooted the tab by accident. I will smack you like a smacky idiot. Why is my dog shouting? Oh, there's a horsey boy.
Now
Hello,
we have
horsey
to
boy.
find a. I think now we have to find a village. Am I right?
Oh, it all
Hey, you
got
have a iron pickaxe in it.
Wait, this horse is taking me away. Saddle. Where are
Hey.
you, Satty boy? And
Hey, you have to place on the first one, man. Can't you see anything?
oh yeah,
Horse armor.
yeah, I see.
Hey, you have did a mistake. You have diamond pickaxe and iron pickaxe. Then why can't you mine the
Good.
gold?
No problem. I don't want a gold mine. Get smacked from the smack idiot. Wait, guys, look at this. Is this a boy or a girl? Okay, it's a boy. Let's
Hey,
travel that way.
let's go to icebergs.
Tell me where. You have to go to the spawn first.
You have to go to the no. One day I have saw you have to go that side.
Oh no. Oh, where am I?
It has been glitched.
Yeah. I went through a block.
But
When it comes to
the happiness is you didn't got damage. Damage is the dirtiest thing of Minecraft.
oh my god, this horse is jumping so. Hey, there's snow falling on me.
One day I have saw icebergs over here. Hey, wait. No. Hey, this connects to the ocean. Let's go to the shipworks.
I mean, this is not peaceful, so I'm gonna die by drowning.
Drown?
I'm gonna drown because it's not unpeaceful anymore.
No. Don't go to the tall trees. Why? Because there must be a pillager tower and
No problem, we can fight them. I'll snipe them from far away.
I
Wait, how
have.
many arrows do I have? Did I
Yep,
really
you have
waste
6,000 arrows.
Did I really waste everything?
Hey, this is here.
Yeah.
No, never. Please don't go. If you go to the sweet berries, you may take damage.
Only the horse. My horse. Okay. My horse almost died.
I think you have to eat your bread with jam.
No problem. I still have full.
No, one piece.
One half. No problem. Only one half. I am not gonna. If I see pillagers,
Hey.
I am just gonna.
If flatland and this trees one will be connected, there will be the pillager's tower. No water, you can't take it.
Come here, boy.
I have said
boy.
you
Come here,
can't
boy.
now ride it also.
Wait.
Wait,
Maybe I'll
wait.
take it this
Hey,
way.
who mined that sweet berries now?
No, because they spawned on the gravel. Oh, sorry, horsey. Run that way. Hey, why are you coming back into this?
I didn't got
Ready?
how to keep the chest on this horse. I have seen in many
Videos.
things. Yeah. Oh, dog.
No. Wait, I'll try to tame you. Please don't kill my pet, you buddy dog. Is it really killing my doggy? Hello, you want bones today? Yes, I'm coming.
Please don't go in that idiot stupid water. I think you need to make lead.
Oh, easy peasy. Just gonna follow me, horsey. Eh,
I think you need to make a lead.
come on, horsey boy.
I
Follow
haven't.
me. No, God, please, no.
But God is not visible, I think.
Yep, it is not. Oh, what? Is that another one?
I have seen something about. Oh, ads 10.
Oh, shit.
Now this is a river pass.
Shall I leave this horse?
Yeah.
Because I'm scared.
Yes. Leave it. Otherwise you may lose your saddle and.
Kill it, doggy boy. Where's my doggy?
Oh shit.
No.
Doggy again by the daylight.
No, it doesn't die. No. The battery is low. Let me just keep charging. No, I'm running. No. No, I'm gonna run. Oh, I survived. Oh, here's my doggy. Hello,
Hey doggy.
boy.
This is the instruction to you is kill the.
అందులో ఎందుకు రా అంత ప్లేస్ ఉంటే కాలు పెట్టుకోవడానికి
Kill the doggy by daylight.
Let's just go there. Whoop. Just
Did you take your saddle?
Oh, yeah, I got. No problem. I
It's
can
the
get another one.
You can't make a saddle in your crafting table, you know.
Wait, there is a ravine, I think. Not a ravine.
Not a ravine, you can leave it. Be careful, drowned.
Which will drown? Oh my God.
I got flipped. Be careful,
Ooh, more.
zombie will be there.
I can kill it with my diamonds. Sorry, boy. I can one hit smack it.
One hit smack it and it will also smack you like. Oh my god.
There's a lot.
Do not
of
enter
iron.
the dark.
No, I will. Because I need so much iron.
Hey, find the pillager tower first.
Oh my. Guys, look at this. Don't try this at home.
At home. But in home we do not have gravel.
Oh, okay. Wait, you play Minecraft from your own home only, not go outside. Hey.
You know I can eat soul sand.
Oh, there's more. Fall down.
One block. Oh my, it's.
No, nothing over here. No, not rain today. I forgot to bring a bed.
Oh, wait.
I am not going that way. Nope. Not happening. No, please tell
Take
me
out
I have
take out your cobblestone.
Scared.
Heidi.
Get out of here.
Oh my god.
More zombies. Oh, hello, boy.
I think it had trident.
Yep. Not happening.
Kill it.
Wait, I'll tell my doggy to tell it. Hello, come here.
No.
Come
I
swimming.
think it.
Come swimming to daddy.
It don't have a trident.
Yes, it doesn't. Oh my, whoa, what are you doing? What are
Hey.
you doing? Wait, what? Ow!
Oh shit.
You're surrounding me? Really? Bro? Stop, bro.
Bro, your mutton is rotten.
Papa! Come here, doggy boy.
Hey bro, your mutton is rotten.
Wait, can we just go? Okay, guys, I'm gonna make another
Part
part.
3.
So,
Bye bye, goodbye.
bye,
Part 3.
goodbye.
Part 3.
And don't forget to like and subscribe. Do everything.